In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to eBay, guiding you through the entire process seamlessly. By following these steps, you will be able to integrate these two platforms efficiently, enhancing your online sales experience and making your e-commerce workflow much smoother. First, navigate to printify.com and log in with your existing credentials. Once you're inside, find your store and click on your store name. From the drop-down menu, select Manage My Stores. This area allows you to control and link your various sales channels, giving you a centralized dashboard to manage everything efficiently. Next, click the Connect button. A list of sales channels will appear. Select eBay. Connecting eBay with Printify can significantly upscale your business opportunities and open doors to a larger customer base. You'll then have a choice to create a new store or use an existing Printify store. Choose the option that suits your needs and click Connect. If you don't already have an eBay account, now is the time to create one. If you do, check the box, I have an eBay account, and click Continue. This step ensures that Printify can access and manage your eBay storefront. By linking the accounts, you'll also save time by syncing your product listings automatically without needing to upload them manually. Granting Printify access is essential. It allows Printify to update and manage listings on your behalf, removing manual hassle from your workflow. Next, set up or confirm your payment method on eBay by checking I add a payment method on eBay and proceed. This ensures transactions can be processed without delay. Finally, confirm that you understand eBay's business policies by checking I understand the required eBay business policies and click Continue. Familiarizing yourself with these policies helps you operate smoothly, avoid potential account issues, and maintain a professional store. Congratulations, you've now linked Printify to your eBay store. This connection streamlines product listings and inventory management between the two platforms, saves you time, and maximizes your business's potential on eBay. With these steps completed, you're all set to enjoy the enhanced capabilities of your e-commerce setup, reach more customers, and scale your online business efficiently. Thank you for joining today, and happy selling.